at what he's working on.
Central Florida Texture and Painting is out here doing a beautiful thing. He's putting the contrast on the wall, bringing it out, giving it that pop, that flair. You can reach him at 863-651-8325. Check him out, y'all. Double coating it. All right, John Akins is painting day. Making it look absolutely beautiful. What's up, Jay Young? I see you, brother. Keep doing your thing, man. B, how you doing up there, man? All right, check it out, y'all. We got a duplex and we have a brand new build that we built from the ground up on the same street in my hood, where I grew up at. My neighborhood, my community. West Side, baby. On this street right here in front of First Providence Missionary Baptist Church. And we're gonna take y'all in and show y'all what we're doing today. We have a brand new build and we have this duplex. You see my main man, John Akins, with Central Florida Texture and Painting. He's painting it up. All right, give me a call. Section 8 vouchers, give me a call. 931-241-9714. Call me direct. We're gonna take a look inside. Y'all tell me what y'all think. Look, we painted that gable up there. We painted it with a little accent wall. Check it out. Central Florida Texture and Painting is doing the work. Let's go in and look at these floors that we got. You can reach us at 863-410-0877. All right, look at the floor. We're putting the grout in. Got the floors all grouted up. Tongue and groove ceilings. Cabinets, we got them all in. Laundry room. As you can see, Felix, he's grouting it up right now, y'all. Look at the laundry room. We got cabinets in the laundry room, so you can store your items in there. Let's go back out here, y'all. John Akins, look how he painted this. This one here just has primer on it. See the difference? This is just primer, right? And this one here has paint on it. Look at the difference. All All right, this is a duplex that's on the west side, my side, on King Street, right in front of First Providence Missionary Baptist Church. John, talk to him. We live right now. This is Central Florida Texture and Paint. What you doing today for Radford Homes, brother?
Fans around the windows, doors, and doing some touch-up.
All right. Sherman William paint?
Yes, sir. Super paint is what we use. Basic.
Super.
Basic paint,
Okay.
but it's still good paint.
All right. You can reach Central Florida Texture and Paint at 863-651-8325. Check them out, y'all. This duplex has been fully renovated from the roof down to the plumbing. Salute all veterans, too. 23 years served. Oh, look at the accent wall that Brian is doing. Dark gray up top. Give it a little pop. You got a Section 8 voucher? Give me a call, 863-410-0877, or call me direct. Text me, 931-241-9714. If you notice, folks, we put a gate, a fence all the way around, a black vinyl fence. Coach Bell Fencing, T. Gregory, general contractor. Put that in for us. So, if you're going to be out here and you want the kids to play, don't want them to be going outside of the yard, there you go. And in the back, we have a 6-foot-high black vinyl fence. That is a brand new home built less than 24 months ago. And that's a brand new home built less than 24 months ago. We're putting a privacy fence right down there so you won't even see the neighbors over that way. This is a duplex, and it's for rent. It is on a oversized, huge lot. The lot is 100 feet by 100 feet. Now, eventually we're gonna put right here 3 garages, and we're gonna put parking spaces here. Okay, so we're gonna be 3 garages. We're not gonna leave this space just empty like this. So each unit will have a garage and a storage area right back here. And we're gonna have parking for 4 cars, okay? Because the lot is huge. Glory be to God. We can't do this on our own. We know it's bigger than us. We're just grateful that we can come in our community where I grew up at. I literally grew up on that street, which is Polk Street. 4 houses down is my house where I grew up at, okay? So give us a call if you need us. Bartow. Keep God first, Luke 1:37.
All right, Brian, we're going to have to put it in 5th gear here. You got lunch today? Huh? Red bought drink, man. He ain't going to buy no damn lunch. Talking to you.
I like how B just said you talking to me or Greg. Boy, I tell you.
Well, man, he won't do B just so he can damn film, but I'm going to show his ass when we finish this damn white and gray. Get the hell out of here.
Y'all see he cussing on the camera. I mean, come on now.
I am grown though, Greg. Right, Greg? I'm grown, and you should ask me when you're going on film. That's what he get for trying to put me on live all the time.
Felix, what are you doing to the floors? Oh my God!
Not working. Jamie? Brian, you need something like that? You only got one? Or you had one?
I have one in the truck.
Ain't that much better?
Yep. Greg showed me this trick.
Greg did. Okay.
Always on the phone, y'all. Yeah.
He's right in front of my face. Can't even talk.
This is the inside portion. The outside is gray.
Oh, okay, I see. Yep, that looks good.